You know, the last time we did this coverage, there was one important thing we left out, and that was the royal python. There are other things we can see, but I felt that this is a unique story we don't want to miss. They have different types of snakes that you can research on, and so we're going to look at a royal python and its uniqueness.
My name is Hetty.
Hetty, yes. You're not scared of it?
No, I'm not scared of it.
Oh, okay, tell me.
So this is a royal python, also known as a ball python.
Okay.
Ball python because when they get scared or when they feel threatened, they can roll themselves into a ball.
Oh, wow.
Yes. So this one here is a female royal python, and naturally they hardly bite.
Okay.
They are also non-poisonous snakes. They are constrictors. We have two types of snakes. We have the non-venomous snakes, and then we have the venomous snakes. So the royal python is non-venomous. So it only constricts to eat.
Yes, sir. Wow.
Yes, so it only constricts to eat. And this one is called Chelsea.
Chelsea?
Yes.
Hi, Chelsea.
So this
Can I be your friend, Chelsea?
This one is a pet.
Wow.
Yes, for someone, and then the person brought it here for tourists to also have a look and a feel of
the royal python. Okay, so I'm here to, you see, Chelsea moved me all the way from Accra just to come to Shai Hills, not do anything, just to come and see Her Royal Majesty.
With the snakes like this, you see, it's bringing out its tongue once a while. It smells with the tongue.
Okay.
Yeah, they don't have. They have the nose, but they're easy to breathe. But they can only smell with their tongue. Okay. So when you see a snake bringing out its tongue all the time, it's trying to detect what is around it.
Wow.
And it also has a heat gland or something. You see, right around the nose, there are some, looks like a gauze or something like that. Yeah. So that's what they use to detect heat. So at night when they are hunting, they use that to detect the heat of their prey that is around.
Wow.
Yes, because they can't really see well at night, so they use the heat detector to notice their movements as they are moving up and down as well.
Okay. So can I feel the Royal Majesty?
Yes, you can.
Okay, what can I do with Royal Majesty? Can you demonstrate it?
You can hang it around your neck, you can hold it, you can do anything at all.
Okay, let's start. So we start here, a
so
Royal Majesty.
You just hold it gently, like a baby.
Friends, you know, one of the experiences I've never had is to even get near a snake. And for me to do this, I'm showing you that when you come here, you can also overcome some of your fears. We've walked the canopy walkway. We've done several things, and this is one of the numerous things I'm doing on this particular vacation, telling you you can also overcome your fear. And when you come to the Shai Hills, they have a whole package. You can even spend a week here. They have good accommodation, wonderful stuff for you. And so that is Her Royal Majesty, Chelsea. So Chelsea wants to go around my neck, but Chelsea, just be gentle with me.
Let me try.
Chelsea. Okay.
Let me do it for you.
All right. Tell Chelsea to be gentle with me. Pray for me, all of you. Chelsea.
This is Chelsea.
I'm safe. Okay. So that is it. And so you can also have a wonderful time when you come here. Bless you. See you at where? Shai Hills. Hey, viewers, the wonderful thing is when you go to any place, the people who facilitate your movement around and guide you through the process makes your whole process or the whole excursion interesting. But you know what? In Shai Hills, they have very experienced and wonderful people, and I don't want to leave the people out and just look at the monkeys and the tents, but I want you to feel them and they tell you something about the Shai Hills. So I have with me a whole team. They are awesome. I'm looking at their uniforms. Man, they are superb. So let's talk to them. I just started with the lady, but I'll ask her name again. Tell me your name.
My name is Henrietta Samoa, but everyone calls me Hetty.
Hetty. Give me high five. Yeah, that is Eti.
Well, my name is Ado Mantideri.
Wow. And what do you do here?
I'm a tour guide here.
You're a tour guide.
Yeah.
And your name, sir?
Alhassan Kabori.
Alhassan Kabori. And what's your position here?
Resource guide here.
Tour guide. Yes, sir.
And I'm Robert Lamptey.
Mr. Robert Lamptey.
Yes, sir.
Wow. And what do you do here too?
Oh, I'm a national service personnel.
Wow.
So also somehow a resource guide too.
A resource guide. And our own tour guide who took us through the mountains made us do some strong mountain climbing and cave movement.
Ishmael Otu.
Ishmael Otu. Awesome. So we have them here. I want you to just share just a little thing to viewers, people who have never visited Shai Hills, and the kind of experience they will get when they come here. Just something small, and invite people both inside and abroad and local, everything. Any short word from each of you.
Okay, so when we talk about getting away, we believe that Shai Hills is the best place to get away because it's the natural environment. You get away from all the noise making, all the social media, all the internet and everything that stresses you out there in the real world. But when you come here, you are out of all those things and you get to relax and then have a good time with the nature and then the animals and even with your own self. So you can choose to come here to read, you can choose to come here to spend time with the animals, you can choose to hike, spend time with nature actually.
Spend time with nature. Wow, she said come and spend time with nature.
So when you come to Shai Hills, you have some of the animals some are naturally here. We brought some are from SA, that's South Africa. You have the zebras and the ostrich and the antelopes, and they are all over the park. So you can see them if you come to Shai Hills.
Wow. So what are you telling them to do?
I'm telling everyone should come for this weekend or every day to come
to Shai Hills.
Yeah.
Awesome. Yeah, Mr. Kabori.
I won't talk much, but what I want to tell the viewers is Shai Hills never disappoints.
Shai Hill never disappoints. My, oh my.
Shai Hills.
Okay, what I want to tell people out there that if people want a real hike, a real exercise, this is the best place you have to come to.
If you want
Just forget about the gym centers and they should be here in Shai Hills.
If they want a real
exercise
is here. And I hear that there is a place for military exercise.
Oh yeah, Mogul Hills, and I think Hill. It's a very good place where you can.
So those of you who want military training, either for yourself or for your kids or anybody,
they should come here.
Just come here for the real thing.
Exactly.
Awesome. Close everything for us.
I want to tell people that Shai Hills has a lot, so they should come and experience nature in pleasure.
All right. So people will be watching our channel. So what will you tell all of them? To subscribe to this channel, come to Shai Hills, and they will have a good experience. Cheers!
On the down one.
Wow! Thank you very much.
Bye.